Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for making those brainy purchases. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop and the Neugo Steam Mop. Spoiler alert, one of these mops might just steamroll the competition. Let's kick things off with the price tag. The Bissell Power Fresh comes in at a cool $92, making it a budget-friendly option. Reviewers appreciate this affordability, with many mentioning it delivers good value for the price. On the other hand, the Neugo is priced at $109. While slightly more expensive, users say it offers exceptional cleaning performance and is worth the extra investment. So for just a few extra bucks, you could be mopping with what sounds like a fancy Italian dish. Now, let's talk steam power. Bissell packs a punch with a smart set digital steam control that gives you the option to choose high, medium, or low steam. Reviewers have noted that while it effectively cleans, it may not completely remove years of built-up grime. Then we have Neugo, which cranks it up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Users rave about its ability to sanitize and clean, removing scuff marks and sticky stains with ease, making it a powerful option for deep cleaning. Next up, let's talk about the water tanks. Bissell's got a removable water tank that you can easily fill up at the sink. Reviewers appreciate this feature, but some mention the need for frequent refills. Neugo's tank is a whopping 15.2 ounces, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without interruptions. Users love that they can clean their entire house without stopping for a refill, making it a great choice for those who hate interruptions. Now, usability is key. Bissell features swivel steering and a low-profile mop head that cleans into corners effectively. Reviewers highlight its ease of use on textured surfaces. Meanwhile, Neugo has an adjustable height feature, making it easier for users to clean without bending down. Many users note its user-friendly design and sturdy build, which adds to its overall usability. It's like having a personal assistant, minus the awkward small talk. Let's not forget the extras. Bissell comes with Spring Breeze fragrance discs for that fresh scent while you mop. Users love this feature for the pleasant aroma it leaves behind. On the other hand, Neugo is all about practicality with its 23-feet cord and self-standing design, making storage a breeze. Reviewers appreciate its functionality and effectiveness, making it a versatile addition to any cleaning routine. Overall, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop receives positive reviews for its affordability and effectiveness on various surfaces, though some users question its long-term performance. In contrast, the Neugo Steam Mop is praised for its powerful steam capabilities and ease of use, making it a favorite for deep cleaning without harsh chemicals. Both products have their strengths, catering to different cleaning needs and preferences. So, there you have it. The Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop. Reliable, budget-friendly, and smells like spring. And the Neugo Steam Mop. The powerful, adjustable, high-temperature wonder that's perfect for those who want to deep clean without the chemicals. Which one wins the battle? Well, that depends on your cleaning style. Are you a let's steam it all away kind of person? Or let's keep it light and breezy? If you enjoyed this comparison and want to see more product battles like this, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, remember to buy smart and keep your floors cleaner than your conscience after binge watching that reality show.